Good morning, children. Merry Christmas to all of you. Children, today I am going to discuss about the basic concept of addition. What is addition? See, children, addition is the subtotal of two or more numbers. In addition, we always gain. In addition, we always get more. The words that signifies addition are altogether, put together, sum, total, subtotal. The simple meaning is that in mathematics, altogether this word means addition. Put together, this word means addition. Sum, this word means addition. Total, this word means addition. Subtotal, this word means addition. Practice well, children. Thank you.